CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, what I will be doing is breaking down my exact play, and I'm the only guy in this space that's done over 42,000 videos over 5 years, so I have personally seen what's actually printing me money and what's not. And practically speaking, with CRCL, the only thing that I would prefer to see is like a decent, just a double break, right? And how that would look like is actually very simple, and a lot of people are just going to overcomplicate it. Again, I'm gonna stick to my rules, and unless those are met, I have no business touching anything. I'm looking to take it further up. So based on my previous idea, I've already, started calling things out. Always bullish. Like I obviously got like a 1L, like a loss here and there, but this began by me being bullish from 76 bucks to 104 2 weeks back. And since those 2 weeks back, it's been very decent. So I was waiting for a second break. Still waiting for exactly that, and if I don't get it, then I guess I'm not buying, which I know a lot of people are gonna come here or overcomplicate. But yeah, man, other than that, like, I'm just waiting for the second shift. It's so crucial for me. I'm not doing anything without it, so want you to stay tuned. And I do have a lot of CRCL receipts from the end, so if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and I'll see you in the next one.